Hi everyone, this is Priyanka and I am back with another video, and in this video I'm going to describe about an affordable Korean skincare brand which is absolutely stunning. I have been using them since 2 to 3 months now, and I have used a lot of products from their brand. It might sound a little bit oxymoronic that how can
Oh
Korean
my
skincare brand
God.
be affordable? It is affordable, it is possible. Trust me, I have found out a certain brand which is delivering some amazing product, and they are keeping it really affordable for all of us. The brand that I am going to talk about is Quench Botanics. Yes, you heard it right. It's Quench Botanics. It's a Korean skincare brand, and they are delivering us some amazing affordable Korean skincare products. My first product from this brand has to be this one. It is their rejuvenating toner. It's called Quench Botanics Rejuvenating Face Mist with Cica Herb Repair. It is filled with cica. Now let me tell you at first that this brand is making some amazing skincare product, and the key ingredient of this skincare products has to be the cica, because this is extremely soothing and calming skincare ingredient for all our skin. You can have oily skin, you can have dry skin, you can have sensitive skin, you can have combination skin. Cica works the best for all skin type in case of calming and soothing your skin. And we have come in the summer, and we need something very soothing and calming, absolutely not something very harsh on our skin. This particular rejuvenating mist is very nourishing. People having dry skin or normal skin or combination skin, this going to work fantastic on your skin. It is very soothing, also gives you a beautiful glow to your skin and very much nourishing to your skin. It is amazing product. Let me show you the application of this. This comes with a spray mist bottle, and it just looks like this. As you can see, just like water coming down on my skin, and it is extremely lightweight on your skin. I'm not suggesting this for oily skin because it is very nourishing. Oily skin people might feel it a little bit over moisturizing or sticky on their skin, so it is going to do the best for the dry skin, the normal skin, the combination skin. Moving on to the next product, and this is the gel face wash from Quench Botanics. It's called their Quench Skin Detox Gel Face Wash with matcha green tea antioxidants. As the name suggests, whenever you will use this particular face wash, you will feel it's very soothing on your skin, and it actually detoxes your skin because it has green tea. Also, it is filled with antioxidants. Honestly speaking, I don't really prefer a lot of active ingredients into my face wash, because the face wash is going to stay on my skin probably for 1 minute or 2 minutes maximum, and I don't want a lot of active skincare products into it because they are not going to do a lot to my skin, as they are staying in my skin for just 1 or 2 minutes maximum. So I want my face wash that has to be filled with antioxidants or a lot of anti-infectory ingredients. These are going to be the best for all skin type. You may have dry skin, you may have sensitive skin, you may have oily skin. This kind of face washes actually work the best according to me. So this particular face wash is just the type that I want. Let me show you the texture of the face wash. Moving on to my favorite product from Quench Botanics, it's their sunscreen, and the proper name of this particular sunscreen is Quench Botanics Ultra Light SPF 50 plus PA plus sunscreen with avocado and vitamin C and E. This sunscreen is basically a matte finish sunscreen, but the kind of finish it gives is somewhere in between matte and dewy, and I love the finish so much. I am not into matte finish skincare products or even matte finish makeup. I love dewy finish overall, but this particular sunscreen has a beautiful finish on the skin. Even I have fallen in love with this particular sunscreen. The best part of this is apt for the sensitive skin people. This does not burn out your skin. Even on your sensitive area, you can apply this sunscreen without any worry. This sunscreen is very calming on your skin, and the best part of this is if you want to skip your moisturizer before using this sunscreen, you can skip it because it is extremely nourishing to your skin, gives a beautiful glow to your skin. Also, it protects really well as it is filled with UVA and UVB filter, an excellent sunscreen under budget. Moving on to one of the best serum from Quench Botanics. It is called their Quench Intense Brightening Serum with avocado, vitamin C and vitamin E. This serum is basically an anti-aging serum filled with good skincare ingredient. It also visibly reduces wrinkles. If you have wrinkles on your face or on your neck, then you can definitely get your hands on this. Best part of the serum is it is extremely calming on your skin. If you are planning to get your hands on this particular serum, then you can definitely do it at this time because it is summer and you need something very calming and at the same time taking care of your skin. Then this serum is a multi-purpose serum for that purpose. A very good quality serum. Coming to the texture, it is extremely lightweight on your skin, does not feel sticky or heavy for the oily skin and sensitive skin people, but it works fantastically. If you have wrinkle, if you have dull skin, then this serum is going to work really well. Such a great serum for aged, dull and dehydrated skin. Moving on to another serum, it's called Quench Mama Cica Dark Spot Correcting Serum. This serum is basically a very calming and soothing serum. The moment you will apply it on your skin, you can feel how soothing it is for your irritated, dehydrated and burnt out skin, especially in summer. But the core purpose of this serum is to reduce the spots and pigmentation from your skin. Of course, it does not work overnight. I am not guaranteeing that, but of course it works very slowly but visibly. I have followed a good reduction in my freckles after a good period of usage of it. Even after 2 months of usage, I felt that it has reduced, at least it has lightened up a little bit of my freckles, and this is the reason I really loved this serum. At the same time, it is very soothing, which is very much appropriate for the summer. I actually want my serums and most of my skincare to be very calming and soothing because all the time we are in an exposure and we feel like our skin is almost burning every now and then. So we definitely need something that has that calming and soothing properties in it. This serum is basically one in all. If you have a serious concern of dark spots, freckles and pigmentation, then get your hands on this, and of course this is very calming for the summertime. I have also used their shampoo. I'm not carrying the bottle with me, so I will be giving a picture of this particular product. It's called their Quench Botanics Anti-dandruff Shampoo. Now this shampoo is basically transparent in texture. It is almost a gel-like shampoo, and also it is very soothing and calming. If you have irritated scalp, if you have flaky scalp, if you have little bit of dandruff, also it's a sulfate-free shampoo, so it is not going to lather too much on your scalp, but it is a very gentle shampoo. If you have rough hair, if you have damaged hair, then this kind of gentle shampoos are very good for your hair shaft specifically. But if you have good amount of dandruff on your scalp, then this is not going to take care of that, because as I said, it is a mild shampoo and it is going to take care of a little bit of flaky scalp or a little bit of dandruff as well. So if you want to get your hands on this, then do take this. I think it's a good decent shampoo under budget. So that's it, that's all about it. I hope you really liked my video. Honestly, I was finding a good affordable Korean skincare for a really long time. I love Korean skincare and everybody does, I guess, but these are not very much affordable, at least for the middle class people like me. So I was actually finding a good quality affordable Korean skincare and hair care, of course. I think I have found it, and I'm really happy to deliver you this video and informing about this particular brand and the quality of all these products that I have used myself, and completely tested and tried. Don't worry, I have tested it on my own skin. So you can definitely buy all the stuffs whichever you want. If you liked all these products, then you can definitely get your hands on these products, and don't worry about it. I have tried and tested and then making this video. So I really hope you liked my video, and I will be there in front of you again with a new and good content next time. Till then, bye.